The Rain Whale and the Lost Rain. Where is the rain? It was summer. The sun was very hot. The ground was dry. The river was small. The trees looked sad. People looked at the sky. We need rain. Then, someone said, the rain whale makes rain. But this year, no rain. Everyone was surprised. Let's go find the rain whale. Rain whale, what is wrong? Deep in the ocean, the big rain whale lay still, eyes closed. People called out, whale, please make it rain. Slowly, the whale opened its eyes. I want to, but I cannot. Why not? The whale frowned. I cannot blow water. Oh no, the blowhole is blocked. The people gasped. They looked at the whale's blowhole. Oh no, plastic bags, fishing lines, bottle caps, and oil. It was full of trash. The whale tried to take a deep breath, but nothing came out. The blowhole was stuck. The people frowned. This is our trash. Then, they realized the whale could not make rain because they had polluted the ocean. Clean the ocean. Everyone worked together. We will help you. The grown-ups dived in and pulled out the trash. The children picked up tiny pieces one by one. The fishermen cleaned the oily water. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Little by little, the whale's blowhole got cleaner and cleaner. But wait. One thing was still stuck. The last net. A big fishing net was stuck in the whale's blowhole. The people stared at it. This is our fault. We must take care of the ocean. They looked at each other. Then, together, they pulled the net. 1 person, 2 people, everyone helped. And then, whoosh! The net came out of the water. Wow, it is raining! At that moment, whoosh! A huge spray of water shot up from the whale's blowhole. Tiny drops floated into the sky and turned into clouds. Then, plip-plop, patter-patter, cool rain began to fall. The people laughed in the rain. We will keep the ocean clean. If we protect nature, the rain whale will bring rain again. The rain whale smiled wide. Now I can make real rain again. A new summer begins. From that summer on, the rain whale blew water into the sky, and clouds formed. But now, people helped keep the ocean clean. Rain is a gift from nature. So we must protect nature. Swimming through the rain, the whale smiled. Now, let us make the perfect rain. Whoosh! And soft raindrops began to fall from the summer sky,